Hello traders, this is Alla Peters on June 28th, 20 minutes before consumer confidence. One of the most important news in US, especially considering current economic inflation crisis along with extreme events in Europe. So let's take a look at Alpha Fibonacci system and how Alpha Fibonacci system identifies what to trade, how to trade well before the news. Here's S&P. The top day trading instrument in US showing you for the second day in a row. Bullish rally overextended. We are close to reversal zone. The only brilliant option to short from. This is it. This is what we've been waiting for the last 2 days. And when before consumer confidence extreme event, price staging this formation, intelligent trader understands quite well. The only option to short the markets. It's not an option to buy the markets. And you knew this with Alpha Fibonacci system days in advance. This is forward system. This is prospective system. It is not delayed. If I take you back, in case you missed the events of the last few days, here's the system on June 23rd. Market moving higher and higher and higher. Days in advance, you know where price is heading to. As we dissect this in live classes on Monday and Thursday, and you can view videos 24/7. It doesn't matter if you're trading 5-minute chart. It doesn't matter if you're trading 10-minute chart. You know quite well, bullish rally is on. Wise thing to do is to buy the market. And that's forward prospective system. Next day, price moving higher. On Friday, next level is reached. Here we are opening up on Monday, and what do we see? Major chop. Market is stuck. Market in pain. No sellers to be found. This is a label I leave for the last 2 days. Again, you decide, is it range? You decide, is it tick? You decide what chart you want to trade. Now, it's not an option to buy the market. Now, your only option to short the market. So if you decide to short the market now, you need to choose your best trade. That's appropriate to your account, your risk management, and your trade hold time. Again, this is Monday. Here we are this morning. We already discussed with students why and how to trade the market well before the news. Intelligent trader trades the short. I am projecting on 1-minute chart with extreme caution. Pay attention, please. I can project this software on any chart. Intelligent trader understands it's a counter trend move. Extreme caution. Key moment in front of you. News in 14 minutes. Intelligent trader waits to place a trade after the news, not before the news. But again, we've been sitting at reversal zone for the last few days. My goodness, there is no other option. Your only option to short. And if you are remaining in a trade at the time of the news, move your stop outside of break even and monitor your short carefully. That's it. And that's how intelligent trader trades. So when I meet with my students this morning who are here from 4 continents, here's Genius by Clanton. 32 points well before market open. Clanton does not need another trade. 32 points on S&P on single lot. Do the math. 50 by 30, $1,500. Plus another 100, $1,600 on a single lot. On 10 lots, $16,000. That's it. This is Alpha Fibonacci chess. Again, price is stuck in pain as expected. We discussed with students to expect the pain before the news. Sellers remain extremely weak. Again, I can project the software on any chart. You decide what chart appropriate for you, your risk management and your account. So while we're waiting for consumer news for another 10 minutes, let's look at other instruments and the importance of reversal zone. And as Clanton says, what is the crucial critical part? Just do the rules. Is anyone surprised how weak the market is? We discussed with students, not much to expect before the news. So do not trade with random targets. Do not speculate. If you walked away with profit on this trade, you're a genius. As my students know this clearly. Never to remain in trade without protecting your account before such major news. Here's Bitcoin. Bitcoin and Netflix crash this year is my favorite thing. Why? Because no intelligent trader would ever buy Bitcoin at 60,000, 70,000 level. This is reversal zone, and with Alpha Fibonacci system, you know this many months in advance. Let's go back on Bitcoin by a year, in case you missed the events in this trading room. Here's Bitcoin July 21st. Shock or not? Sell-off completed, the price respecting key level. It's a key support, rules are met, take long. But again, let's go back by another year. Shock or not, global convention in Miami is on, but you're an intelligent trader, you're not succumbing to hype and noise. You know where to exit your trade. April 2020. Absolutely. Bullish rally is on, moving higher and higher and higher. This is reversal zone, not the place to buy Bitcoin. It doesn't matter what the mayor of Miami says or not. It doesn't matter what the hype is on or not. Rules are met, take short. Do not speculate. Do not gamble with your money. And that's perspective forward system that identifies key levels months in advance. So here's Bitcoin, October 2021. Price reaches key level. Bitcoin at reversal zone. Intelligent trader exiting position. Again, I'm showing you this so you remember where S&P is this morning. Do you remember this part? It's identical chart. Doesn't matter what chart you choose to trade. This is not the place to buy. This is a place to monitor for short. But again, price is telling you clearly, it's a counter trend move. Place a trade after the news, not into the news. You don't need to wait for weeks and months to see the power of the system. You see it in the trading room instantly. This is it. Day trading not your cup of tea. Use everything for long-term positions. And that's where we are on Bitcoin this morning. As Bitcoin kept selling off another 70%. My goodness. Intelligent trader not gambling with money. Intelligent trader not speculating. Not I'm a buyer on Bitcoin at 3,000 level. You gambling with money if you're pulling trigger now. Every single day another news, another shock how crypto funds keep collapsing non-stop. Over $1 trillion defaulted with crypto gambling. You, as Alpha Fibonacci student, knows that it's not a wise decision to buy Bitcoin at reversal zone. Only when rules are met, you can take a trade. Here's Bitcoin right now. You're using your intelligent mind. You are not a gambler. How many points did Bitcoin collapse? From 70,000 until 1750 level. This is next. Intelligent trader knows pulling a trigger randomly and pricing random long on Bitcoin is gambling. That's it. No speculation here. None. Ultimate precision with predictive institutional Alpha Fibonacci system. How is it possible that the guy who lives on Wall Street and provides security for crypto funds stolen $4.5 billion? Exact same guy who provides security for crypto fund. The guy who's supposed to secure crypto fund? Oops. Shock or not. Obey the rules and the sky's the limit. You knew many months in advance, well before this news, that this is not the place to buy Bitcoin. Sell-off is not done. Bitcoin will be testing this level next. 10,000 is critical level on Bitcoin. Breaks my heart when I get phone calls. I should have listened to you. I should have never gambled with my money. The sky's the limit. You decide what you want to trade. News is next. 3 more minutes. Let's go to Netflix. Here's Netflix. Take a look on this chart, please. This is Netflix September 2021. Netflix showing you far in advance, prices heading here, and this is where you should expect the sell-off. So let's go to Netflix forward, shall we? Here's Netflix in February 2022. Oops. How is it possible? Netflix adding subscribers. Earnings are spectacular. But Netflix collapsing? In addition, you know months in advance. Sell-off is not done. Netflix heading lower. This is key test point on Netflix. This is to follow. Did you know that? It's exact same thing on S&P next. On any chart you choose to trade. You do not need to wait for months and years to see the power and precision of the system. You're an intelligent human being who understands if trading on the news worked, every person on the planet would be Bill Gates. It does not work. Here's Netflix today, June 28th. Sell-off is catastrophic. Netflix testing key level now. That's it. Only when rules are met you can take a trade. This level is out. Poor Netflix heading to 34. Did you know that? This is historical event on key stock. So again, traders, here's S&P before the news. This is what you can trade on all platforms without software. Here's the software in front of you. Software has shown you price at the bold red line. Your only option to monitor for short. When you understand that bullish rally overextended, when you understand it's a reversal zone, you also understand hours and days in advance that this is key level to the downside. I'm expanding the chart and converting this chart to 1 minute. Here's the market now on micro chart. This is key day trading chart. If sellers not crushing through this level, sellers are weak. Again, this is software, this is not. So numbers are not pretty, but very close to what was expected. Again, 98.7 is a bearish number. But again, it's almost as expected. So again, when price at reversal zone, intelligent trader not pulling a trigger to the upside. Price had shown to us far in advance. This is a place to short from. This is not the place to buy. However, sellers remain weak. Trade extremely limited to the downside. So here we go, traders. Is anyone surprised? Should not be. Identical thing has happened on Bitcoin. Identical thing has happened on Netflix, playing out on S&P. This is the reason trading room open. So you can see instantly precision of the system without any delays. So again, we're discussing with students that traders remain weak. We're discussing with students this is key level to the downside. Only when this level is out, sellers fully in charge. So intelligent trader strategizes very carefully, trailing, taking profits off the table at this level and this level next, moving the stop outside of break even. That's it. It's a reversal zone on S&P. Not the place to buy, the place to short from. This is a software for NinjaTrader 8 that's shown you. It's a bold red line, not the place to buy. The only option to short from. Remember, Bitcoin far in advance. Remember Netflix. No speculation, no gambling here. Key level here. If buyers step in with vengeance again, sellers remain extremely weak. So as S&P did every single thing we expect, let's review what students share this week alone. Here we go, in case you missed the events in the trading room. That's it. Here's email from Brad. What is he sharing in this email? Very important reminder. For that day, another 4,500, 71K total since April. So here is the account statements that students share more and more. Look at the date, April 12th, 15,000 the start of the account. Here we are on June 10th, 66,000. Less than 2 months. Here is text I wake up to. Never gets old. Again, all of the students, you can listen to podcasts. Health executive in Florida. Carlton. Brad was making $10 an hour in Best Buy before he came to the course. That's it. You decide what you want to trade. Is anyone surprised where price reversing from? You should not. All identified in advance. It's a critical key bullish test point. So when Philip sending this email, averaging 30 to 50 points every day, but Richard sending this email, trading options with Alpha Fibonacci system, and I received this email when I met Ken in London 2 weeks ago. He did not get hurt by crypto crash. He's not a gambler. He knew where to exit his position. And that's how intelligent trader trades, with rules, obeying the rules, no matter what instrument trader trades. This was Ken's performance. January 2021, 156 out of 156 trades. I can't wait to get back to London to meet with Dominic, son of hedge fund manager who brought his son to trade my system. This is what Dominic has done. Listen to podcasts from all of these traders. Dominic loves to day trade the system, but Andy trades multi-million-dollar retirement accounts in England with the system, sending me another update that he's highly profitable. Do you want to position trade or do you want to day trade? Which kind of trader are you? Do you want to crypto trade? Which kind of trader are you? Or do you want to trade the options with the system? Choice is yours. But as Clanton said this morning clearly, obey the rules and the sky's as a limit. That's it. I'm very proud of system I developed. I developed 30 plus systems. I continue developing systems. I'm obsessed with Fibonacci. So when I'm not playing piano, when I'm not practicing yoga, when I'm not doing tango or meditating or traveling the world meeting with students, I love developing systems with every single proprietary feature. But my ultimate passion is teaching. This is my very first degree from Ukraine. And when I take chess lesson now from Ukrainian refugee who lost everything and hiding in Berlin, but as Lisa said, she's on calls with her father, who is in Kharkiv, being bombed every day. It puts life into perspective. So I beg of you, do one thing for yourself. Do not waste time on nonsense. Do not waste time on junk. Do not waste time on delayed indicators. They will never, ever make you money. Alpha Fibonacci system traded globally on all instruments, on all accounts, on all time frames, from micro to macro account. So again, please pay attention to where price reversed from. We knew this in advance. Please also pay attention as Clanton shares another 10 points on S&P, Brett 2.5 points on S&P. So again, this is global community of traders who are not speculators, who are not gamblers, less than 5% making money in this market. Bearish markets drastically more aggressive. Bigger the crash, bigger the rally. Intelligent trader knows that. Intelligent traders knew where to exit their longs. And that's precision of the system in front of you on the smallest day trading charts. So if you would like to join us, it's one of the smartest things you have ever done. You can always request invitation to the trading room and you can review all the details on the website. So if you would like to trade futures, Forex, stocks, options, crypto, of course you can. You can apply the system rules to any time frame. You can trade on all platforms. MT4, MT5, Sierra, TradeStation, Infinity, any platform, as long as it has price, Alpha Fibonacci system applies. Every package includes lifetime system for all platforms, or you have option with lifetime software for Ninja 8. Every package includes live classes, live trading room, video library modules. Savings up to $1,000 offered on the system traded by institutions, by hedge fund traders, and also by retail traders who have few $100s and few $1,000s in their account from 14 to 80 plus year old. So please listen to podcasts of the students. You saw Ken's email. You saw Carlston text. Emmanuel brought his wife to the courts. Theo is a legend. You can view the emails I receive. Tens of thousands of emails from all over the world. The sky's are the limit. If you're trading Forex, if you're trading crypto, or if you're trading options, or if you are a complete beginner trader who never pulled the trigger, Pablo doubled his wife's account. So please choose from option appropriate for you. Private mentoring, I have only one spot left. And please remember, where during historical events, sooner you sign up, more prepared you will be. So if you're considering private mentoring, please call me first. Second package, the most popular package, includes everything: group classes, video library, modules, lifetime system, and software for Ninja 8. Private mentoring also includes all group classes. This is the most desirable package. Again, heads up. This may be the last few months I'm teaching because I'm more and more in demand by hedge funds. I teach, but I also consult for hedge funds. So more busy I will become, less I will be teaching. So sooner you will sign up, more prepared you will be. Do not delay. Do not speculate. This is only the beginning of much more extreme times ahead. Any questions for me? 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders.